Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for watching today. Today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 3 of my secrets to a happy financial life. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share so many things lifestyle and I love to have you part of the family. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. And let's get started. So for those of you who know, I am definitely a money saver. I love saving money. I love talking finances. I majored in accounting. Guys, I have a whole financial journal. I've done some videos on finances before in the past. It's very few because I know a lot of people are here for other reasons, but I am passionate about money. And so if you guys want to know more about those, I'll make sure to link my finance videos and my financial planner and journal that I made. But I am a big money person just in general. That's why I majored in accounting and worked in an accounting firm for a while. So today I am just gonna share with you 3 of my secrets to a happy financial life. Whether you know it or not, finances can be a major stressor in your life. And you know, no, it's not all about money, but just financial stability can definitely give you a peace of mind, or it can be a stressful factor in your life. So here are just 3 of my secrets to just having a happy financial life, which means being not so stressful about money, having more of a peaceful state of mind when it comes to your money and your finances, okay? My first secret and tip is to find ways to make more income. I am a huge believer in not just having and relying on one source of income. No, have a plan A, a plan B, and possibly a plan C and D in place as well. I have lived by this motto, guys. Having multiple sources of income will make your life a little bit more peaceful in a way, because if you lose one source of income, you know you'll still be okay because you have other income coming in. And I say that because I've done it. I've been there. Guys, you know, I was a lawyer and I was a musician, and I know one time I walked away from one of my musician jobs where I was getting steady income every week. I walked away from it. You know why? Because I knew I was gonna be okay, because I had other sources of income coming in. I walked away from a job. I walked away from a firm. But you know why? Because I knew I was gonna be okay, because I had other sources of income coming in. And sometimes you get let go on your jobs and you know, things just doesn't go the way you planned. You're not happy. It's so many different factors that go into play with relying on one source of income. That's why I have never, literally never, just relied on one source of income. To this day, I literally just did a video a week or 2 ago opening up about my current sources of income. I have over 10 sources of income. I shared that video on my Creators Corner channel. That's a channel that I have going for people who want to be content creators and influencers and make money through social media. So if you are interested in that, you can check that out. Even if you aren't and you just want to know my 10 sources of income, I'll leave that video linked as well and you still can watch it. But that's one of my most powerful state of mind that I live by. I never ever just rely on one source of income, because if that income get chopped or cut or you know taken away, then your life will be a disaster. It will become so stressful because you're trying to find a way to live, you know, and supplement that income. And it's hard when you don't have other plans in place. So that's my first secret to having a happy financial life. My second secret is lowering your expenses. I am the cheapest person you will find. And I say that because people that live with me, that are around me, they can attest to you, okay? You might think I'm living nice and you may think I'm rich. I by far am the cheapest person you ever run into, okay? I do like nice things, yes, but I also don't like to spend an arm and a leg. So I literally did a video and I shared with you ways we save thousands of dollars a year. Guys, I dived in on that video, okay? So if you want to know all the many ways I save money, watch that video. It's kind of long, but I literally revealed everything. But I am a huge believer in saving money and lowering your expenses, because $1 is hard to make. So why make it so easy to let go? So yeah, I don't like to spend a lot of money. I like nice things, yes. But I don't like to spend a lot of money. I'm that type of person. I do my own hair. I do my own nails. I do my own facials. I do everything. I haven't went to a beautician in, oh my God, I don't even, maybe 10 plus years. Who knows? It's been a long time. I don't go get my nails done. I save that money. I lower my expenses. So my first tip, remember, increase your income. My second tip is to lower your expenses. So yeah, I may have the money. I probably have, more money than a lot of people who go splurge on different things. But I just choose not to. Why? Because I want a happy, peaceful, stable financial peace of mind. I don't want to have to worry. I don't want to have to stress. And yeah, if that means not going to get my nails done or not going to the hair salon, or, I'm okay with that, because I'm putting that money in the bank, so I can do other things with that money. That money I can invest that money. I can make another source of income with that money. So that's my mindset. That's how I have financial peace, because I make sure to not to splurge. I don't like to splurge. I don't like to spend. I do like nice things. But even around my home, you guys that's been following me for a while, y'all know I share my furniture finds. I share my home decor. I love home decor, but I'm not the one to go spend $5,000-$10,000 on a piece of furniture. That's not me. But I do like nice things, so I will go find sales. I do have Z Gallerie furniture in my home, but I didn't go to the Z Gallerie store to get it. I went to the Z Gallerie outlets to get it. So I got stuff 60 to 80% off. Again, I like nice things. I just don't like paying full price for a lot of things. That's the catch. And I shop a lot of online retailers. For furniture, I shop Wayfair, I shop Amazon, I shop, places that are not going to break my bank. Hey Needle and House. It's a lot of places. I share all that stuff with y'all. Even with clothes and stuff. I like clothes, yes. I like fashion, yes. But I'm not the girl to go spend $3,000 on a purse. $2,000 on, that's not me. It's just not. I like to keep my expenses low. So I shop at, I shop at places where I can get an outfit for 20, 30 bucks, and it's totally cute. Because I think the person makes the outfit. I don't think the outfit makes the person. That's my mindset. Everybody's different. I am not judging you, so don't judge me. I'm just telling you one of my secrets to saving money and lowering my expenses. And that's one way. It's my mindset. I like to make more money, spend less money. The third one is saving. Okay, saving. Because even though you may lower your expenses, what are you going to do with that extra money? You got to make sure to save it and find ways to save. So I was sharing with you, I shop at Amazon a lot. I shop at Walmart. I shop at Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. I find ways to save. And when you are able to, 1, increase your income, 2, lower your expenses, and 3, save your money, those are my top 3 tips to having that happy financial life. Your finances can become stable. You will be able to be okay. And just because things happen, with what happened recently with the quarantine and stay at home and all of this, thankfully we were okay. And I know others aren't, but when you don't just rely on one source of income, it helps with your financial peace of mind. So those are my top 3 tips and secrets to having a happy financial life. Now, I can talk about finances all day long, okay? We can dive deep, okay? I'm not going to do that on this video. I'm going to keep it nice on the surface. But those are my tips. If you guys are interested, I do have a financial planner that you can check out. I highly recommend it. It literally will help you clean house. It will force you to write everything down. And that's one way to help with your finances, to see it all, to write it down, to see where you're at financially. So the only way to know how to get better is to see where you're at. So I highly recommend it if you guys are, interested in getting in a better financial position. And I also have other finance videos out there, so I'll try to put them in a playlist so you can watch those if you're interested. And I have tons of Amazon videos out there, so if you're interested, you can be sure to check those videos out. And all of my home decor videos, I tell you guys where I got everything, so you can make sure to just check the description box for whatever you're looking for. And I will see you guys in the next video.